In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Opera browser. If your browser feels sluggish, pages aren't loading correctly, or an extension is causing trouble, a reset can quickly bring things back to a clean default state without deleting your important personal data. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click the gear-shaped settings icon. This opens the main settings page where all your preferences live. Take a moment to note that you're not uninstalling anything here. You're simply returning Opera's settings to how they were when you first installed the browser. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Reset Settings. It's dedicated to restoring defaults in one click, so you don't have to hunt through individual menus. When you're in that section, choose the option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Opera will show a confirmation box explaining what this action does, which is helpful to review before you proceed. Now, confirm by clicking Reset. Opera will apply the changes right away. Here's what that means in practice. Your startup page, new tab page, and default search engine return to the original Opera defaults. Any custom content settings, site permissions, and cookies are cleared, and your extensions are disabled. This often fixes conflicts and odd behavior caused by add-ons or cached data. Your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords are not removed by this reset, but you may find you're signed out of some websites and need to log back in. After the reset completes, browse to a few of your regular sites to see if performance and behavior have improved. If an extension was the culprit, you can re-enable extensions later, one at a time, to identify which one causes issues. And if you had unique preferences before, simply revisit settings to customize things again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully reset Opera to its original defaults, a reliable way to troubleshoot problems and start fresh while keeping your important data intact.